Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is not necessary. In this video, I am going to explain for loop in Python. Basically, there are two types in a for loop. Okay, so one is range, other one is sequence. So let me explain one by one. Okay, the first one is range. So range is nothing but when we want to list some range between 1 to 10, 1 to 100. At that particular time, like we'll be writing this range. Okay, the syntax. Let me explain this range first. Okay, so basically, range. Okay, here there will be inside range. There will be three things. Okay, one is the starting one is the starting point, another one is the ending point, then step. Okay, others we can say that the start, stop, step. Okay, so these three things are very much very important. Like all the times we have to mention. If we won't mention the ending and the step is also fine, but the starting and the step is also fine, but ending we have to mention it. Okay, so let me give one simple example of this. Okay, let me start with an example. The syntax of this, so syntax of this for loop of range, for I is like in the place of I, whatever we want we can write. Okay, for let me write for I in range. Okay, for I in range, I need to start from 0. Okay, I need to start from 0 and I need to end with 6. With 5. I need 5 numbers, so it starts from 0 and it ends with 5. So do remember guys, when you want 5 numbers, okay, I need from 0 to 5, so you have to mention 6. Okay, so when you want 0 to 10, you have to mention 11. Okay, we have to mention like plus one number, we have to get a minus one. Okay, yeah. So next, step is nothing but the range between like the stepping number. For suppose if I give like 2, it will be like 0 and it skipped 2 numbers and it will print as 3. The same way, first I will print as 1 only. Okay, the step is 1. Okay, so now just I will print high. Just I will print I. You guys see, you can see this, it has been printed from 0 to 5. Okay, yeah. So if you want, I can give like a few more examples so that you guys can easily understand this. So as I said before, uh, you can skip the starting and the step one, but the stop one, we can say the ending one, we must give. Let me give for example of that. Okay, for I in range, I need the same numbers. Okay, like I need 0 to 5. I will print as only 6. Okay, I will print high. Yeah, so I'm getting the same output. You guys can see the same output I'm getting, but I am skipping the starting and step. So if I need to increase this step number, let me write one more example. For high in range 1 to 10, 1 to 10, and the skipping, let me take for 3. Okay, so I need to start with 1. Now I don't want to start with 0, I need to start with 1. Okay, and yeah, so let me print I. Yeah, so you guys can see the output here. So we started from 1 and skipped 2 values, sorry, 3 values, like 2, two, if I given 3, it will be, it has been, it counted from 1, 1 2 3, so fourth value. So 4 5 6, seventh number, it has been printed. So like that it will count from 1 to 3 and 4 to 6. This how like it steps and it skips the values. Okay, yeah. So like these are like they are like, this is how like we'll be writing range in for loop. Okay, this is how like we'll be writing. Now let me explain about the second type is sequence. Basically when this sequence like will be using is if you want to print any string values, okay, at that particular time like we'll be using this sequence. Let me give an example for this also. Let me take a string only. String name is python. Yeah, I will provide this as a python only. Okay. Yeah, now just for not later, later it's fine. Yeah, later in string, the variable name is string right here. So string, these strings will be going to store inside this and it will be printing now. Okay. Yeah, I will print later. Yeah, you guys can see the output like what I got here. Okay, it has been printed later one by one, python. Okay, for this purpose like we'll be using this sequence. So this is about loop. Okay, yeah, hope you guys are understood. If you have any doubts, comment down. I will clarify your doubts. Okay, yeah, thank you all.